Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Bluetooth audio is delayed on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about their Bluetooth audio, that their Bluetooth audio is delayed too much and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, don't worry. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this. First of all, you have to check for iOS update. Simply go to your settings, then go to general, tap on software update and ensure that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS 17. If check if there is any available update of or for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone 15 to the latest version of iOS. Then restart your Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone. Then wait for a few seconds and turn it back on. This can help reset the Bluetooth connection and may improve audio sync. After this and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve various issues. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to settings, go to general, tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is check for interference. Bluetooth signals can be affected by interference from other devices or Wi-Fi networks. Try moving away from potential source of interference or turning off other devices that may be causing interference. Then you're still facing the same issue again and again and you don't know what to do is then you have to do is disable Wi-Fi. Sometimes Wi-Fi signal can interfere with Bluetooth connection. Try turning off Wi-Fi on your iPhone 15 and check if the audio delay improves or not. If the issue persists and you're still facing the same issue, then you do is reset network settings. This will reset all your network settings related to this will reset all network related settings including Bluetooth connection. You will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and pair Bluetooth devices again. So you have to do is go to your settings, go to general, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.